Why use Google Sheets for habit and goal tracking?
Google Sheets offers flexibility and powerful features for tracking habits and goals. Unlike pre-made apps, it allows full customization of layouts, formulas, and visuals. You can tailor trackers to your specific routines and objectives, all for free. Plus, Google Sheets is cloud-based, meaning your progress is accessible from any device, anytime.
Setting up your tracker. Getting started.
Begin by creating a new Google Sheet. Label columns with the habits or goals you want to track and use rows for dates. For a simple habit tracker, list your daily habits across the top, with each row representing a day. Consider adding a column for notes to record reflections or challenges.
Using formulas for automated progress tracking.
Google Sheets formulas make tracking easy and dynamic. For example, use checkboxes to mark habits as completed, then apply count-if formulas to tally your results. You can create automatic streak trackers, weekly summaries, or even graphs that visualize your progress over time.
Customizing and visualizing your tracker.
Personalize your tracker with color coding, conditional formatting, and charts. Highlight completed goals or set up automatic reminders using Google Sheets' built-in features. Visual tools like progress bars and graphs help make your growth visible and motivating.
Maintaining motivation and reviewing results.
Consistent review is key to success. Use your Google Sheet tracker to reflect on patterns, identify challenges, and celebrate milestones. Easily tweak your setup as goals change, ensuring your habits and objectives remain aligned with your growth. Google Sheets keeps you in control of your progress.